In this video, we will show you how to create a membership site in Kajabi. If you guys want to get started with Kajabi, you can use the links down in the description. If you've been thinking about creating a membership site for some time, you're probably eager to get started. Before it goes live, you need to make sure you have enough content on your site for your members to engage with. You can't haphazardly throw a single blog post onto your site and ask people to pay for it. The content needs to provide value, and it needs to show people why it's worth paying a monthly subscription. Not only does your content need to be premium, but there should also be multiple pieces of content on your site before you launch. This makes it easier for your members to engage right away and encourages them to stick around longer. If you belong to membership websites, start paying attention to the content, the interactions that take place on the site, and other features. Next, choose your membership model. Your membership model is essentially your business plan and will help guide you as you grow and expand your offerings. There are several ways you can structure your membership website, whether you want to focus on online courses, offer digital products, or conduct group coaching. You can also offer a combination of offerings to make the monthly subscription even more valuable to your members. Another thing to think about is your pricing and whether or not you want to create multiple membership levels. The next step is to determine what your needs are to figure out which platform or plugin is best for your membership business. For instance, Kajabi is an all-in-one membership website builder. The next step is to design a membership site that reflects your existing business. So that's how to create a membership site in Kajabi. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Kajabi. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.